Most people think discipline means forcing motivation every day. That's the lie. Discipline begins when motivation disappears. Motivation is unstable. It depends on mood, energy, sleep, stress, and dopamine. If you run life on motivation, progress collapses whenever emotions change. Don't ask how to stay motivated. Ask how to make the right action easier on bad days. Rule 1. Make the start unbelievably easy. Start small so you can still show up on bad days. You fall to your environment. Remove friction, lay out clothes, put the book on your pillow, tidy your desk. Make bad habits harder. Log out, delete shortcuts, move distractions away, and use app blockers. Pre decide your day. Schedule work, training, sleep, and phone off times. Automate decisions to save willpower. Build identity with small wins. Recover fast after mistakes. Systems that work on low motivation days create real progress.